So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imelda Nzekwe. If this is your first time of coming, please don't make it your last. Hit that subscribe button and let's roll. Okay. Alright, so guys, in today's video we'll be doing a press on nail application. Press on nail is a kind of nail that is easily fixable, it's easily removable. You can pull it up anytime you want and you can fix it anytime you want, and it literally takes not more than 30 minutes to put on. So guys, that's the tutorial we'll be doing today, and I hope you enjoy it. So this is the press on nail I'll be using for today's tutorial, and it's from Ballerina nail. Yeah guys, then this is the gel, like call it gel or glue. This is actually the glue that you use for the application, and this is a file that you use to make the surface of your nail rough, okay, in order to remove the grease on the nails, the dirt and all those things. So you have to make the surface of your nail rough, and that's the function of the file. Okay,
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right. I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you.
alright, so now that I'm done with my nails filing, the next thing I'll be doing is to use a buffer. Yes, this is called a buffer. I'll use it to make the rough surface to be a little bit smooth. Yes, before I will now use my alcohol pad or a cotton wool to clean off the nail. Okay, if that makes sense.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy.
So I'll be using my alcohol. This is actually a nail dissolver. Yes, you can choose to use only alcohol for that, and a cotton wool. So I'm using my cotton wool and I'm using my nail dissolver to clean the surface. This makes the surface of your nail to be very clean, yes, and it still makes it smooth, like smooth and dry. You wouldn't want to fix your glues onto your nails when your nails are still very much wet. No, that's very bad. So you dry it up with a cotton wool and a nail dissolver or alcohol if you have one.
What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got
Alright, the next thing I'll be doing is to be measuring the size of my nails. That's the artificial nails, that's this press-on nails. I'll be measuring it with the size, rather actual nails, so that I will get the exact size of my nails. Okay, a full pack, they will put like nails that you will use like 2 times. Yes, you can use over and over again. So I've finished arranging these ones. I have 5 fingers, so I've actually selected 5 nails that will size those 5 fingers. Alright, so guys, this is the nail glue that I'll be making use of. Like I said earlier in this video, you will not be using your super glue, you will not be using any kind of glue, you'll be using just this sticker glue. Yeah,
Come a little bit closer.
alright, so this is what the sticker looks like. Yes, I don't know if my camera can focus right, but this is what the sticker looks like, and you are getting the exact size of your nail and you are sticking it onto your nail. Then this part that I'm dropping onto my nail is a very sticky part, so that is why it has to gum onto my nail. It has to gum onto my nails, and I'm gonna press it for some time, let's say 10 to 15 seconds. I'm gonna press it onto my skin. Then it still has, every single nail glue has a nail piece. Yes, that is what they call it, a nail piece that you can use to pull out the not sticky part of the nail glue, if that makes sense. Anyway, watch the tutorial, you will understand it very well. So guys, what I'm doing now is to be sticking my nails with the nail glue. Yes, I've not pulled out yet.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you.
And why gumming this? You have to be very careful, because if you make it slanty, that means your nail won't be straight, and even if it's straight, it won't gum very well. Okay, so now I've actually applied all the sticker. Now I'm touching the sticker, the nail piece at the moment. Yes, and as soon as I drag the nail piece out, then my actual sticker, that's the actual glue, will now be so sticky that it can hold onto my nails. Like, that's just the magic. This is so sweet, guys. That is why they call it press on nail, guys. It's so sweet. Now I'm trying to pull off using the nail piece. Yes, I am gently you have to be very careful, else you will spoil the glue, so you have to be very careful. So you hold on to the nail piece and you gently drag it out. Then what will be on the surface will be a very sticky part, which you will now use your nail and glue onto your sticker, and that is it. So this is what the sticker looks like after removing the nail piece. Okay, yes, so you just get the actual size of your nail and press it onto that surface, which you're gonna hold onto for like 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, yeah, so guys, this is super cool, easy peasy. I love this, really, guys. If you don't have a person nail, you need to get one as quick as possible. So that is basically what I'll be doing, removing the nail piece and sticking my nails onto my nail glue, and then fixing it, pressing it for some seconds, and we move.
It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, come a little bit closer. Yeah, to all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right. I'm a little bit nice.
So I'm done with the right hand, then I'll be using that same method to work on my left hand. See guys, I was not just so careful with this one, so I had some piece on my glue, so I still have to detach, yes, then put my nails. Yep. This is so nice, honestly guys. Try and get yourself one, and I'm sure I made this video as detailed as possible. So guys,
got a brother that doesn't treat them right. I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right.
Alright, so guys, that is it. This is gorgeous. This is sweet, guys. I really love this person news. Like, I think this is it for me. This is just the catch for me, guys. Okay, so this is the end of the tutorial. Do well to like, comment, share, guys. Invite your friends. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this point, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. Bye.